Namaste, my name is Aadya. Today is Makara Sankranti. Makara Sankranti is the harvest festival of India. It is celebrated in the month of January. Today I am going to show how to make kites. First you need a square piece of paper. Then you need 4 triangles and glue it onto the square piece of paper. Then, after you glue the triangles onto the square piece of paper, it should look like this. Now you need to cut the sides of the paper that point out. Like this. Now you need a small triangle and a large triangle. You glue the small triangle into the large triangle. Like this, and then at the bottom of the kite, you need to glue the triangle to the bottom of the kite. Then it will look like this. Then you need to have a long strip of paper and glue it under the triangle. And it should look like this. And then you need 4 ribbons to put onto the string of the kite. To make the ribbon, you need a rectangle piece of paper. Fold the rectangle piece of paper into half, and then it will make itself into a square. Then the side with where the fold is closed, you cut it from the side, and then you cut it from the opposite side, and then you turn it over, and then you make a triangle like that in the middle, and then when you unfold it, you get a ribbon. You need to make 4 of these and glue it onto your strip. Like this. And now you need to glue on eyes to your kite. Then you need to make eyebrows for the kite. And then then you can make a mouth for the kite. And then your kite is finished. And this is your kite for Makara Sankranti. Happy Makara Sankranti. Thank you.